Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing Siri's voice on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose from a variety of accents for Siri to have when choosing Siri's voice in English. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and tap Siri. Scroll down the Siri settings and tap Siri Voice. First, choose the nationality of voice that you would like. Then scroll to the bottom and you can see there are a few options for each nationality. You can tap each option to hear a preview of the voice. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.